Case numbers being delayed on the I-129Fs. You are probably experiencing this. Those of you who have applied for an I-129F, the alien fiancé petition, as the first step in the process to get your K-1 visa, you have gone through that process. Those have been delayed for many months, and people have been waiting to get those approvals. Historically, when you got the approval, it would basically just be quickly passed through the NVC and go straight to the embassy without too much fanfare at all. They would just sort of assign a number and pass you on. We're seeing a lot of people be delayed at the NVC phase where they're not getting a case number, it's hanging in limbo, and people are really worried about what does this mean? And basically, it's just a reflection, it's a symptom of some other issues that we're having with the system, the whole system right now, based on some of the management issues we've seen in the immigration system in the last few years, as well as the closures of the embassies for the pandemic. So what happened is, because they didn't do the interviews for a chunk of time when different U.S. embassies have been closed and opened at different times depending on the local conditions, but all of the embassies have been closed, to my knowledge, have been closed to some degree, some of them for a year. And so there were people waiting at that time, and then there have been people continually accumulating in the list of people who need interviews at these embassies. And so what the National Visa Center is doing is they're only passing on the number of cases that the embassy is able to handle. So instead of holding the backlog actually at the embassy, which is not really equipped to handle that kind of backlog, they're holding the backlogs at the National Visa Center. So that's why we're seeing that. It's frustrating, but it's also normal, and it doesn't mean there's anything wrong with your case. And unless there's some reason that you can actually legally expedite your case, there's unfortunately nothing you can really do at that phase to make it go faster or to find out what's happening. It's just sort of one of those things where you wait, and someday your case number will come. And we're seeing some clearing of the backlog, so do be heartened by that. Our clients it's slowly but surely, things are thawing, people are getting through, people are getting scheduled, people are getting case numbers, which is great. And so we're headed in the right direction worldwide, but hang on a little bit more. And that's still a very normal thing that we're seeing. So don't be alarmed if that's what's happening in your case.